Hi, I'm Kim from Secureye, your trusted partner in providing advanced technology for intelligent security solutions. Shield your loved ones from strangers and potential harm with the S-VDP9 video door phone. Know exactly who is at your doorstep and communicate with them without having to step outside. The S-VDP9 video door phone features HD sensors which transmit high-quality, low-noise images to your 7-inch TFT indoor screen. With different brightness, volume, and contrast levels, you get clear footage every time. And you can easily communicate with the person at your doorstep with the touch of a button. Designed to blend in with any interior, this model is simple and ultra-thin. The outdoor unit is encased in metal so it stays safe from rain and theft. It also comes with a variety of melody options, so you can pick the one that best suits your family's personality. Absolutely easy to install yourself, each box contains both indoor and outdoor units, screws and cables, and a user manual to help you get started. Safeguard your home with a name you can trust. Choose the S-VDP9 Video Door Phone by Secureye.